Hello, good morning everyone. Today I want to talk about something we all share, yet none of us fully understand. That is life. Life is not just about breathing, surviving, or passing days. It is about meaning. It is about growth. It is about becoming someone better than we were yesterday. Most people think life is a race. Run fast, earn money, buy things, show success. But life is not a race. Life is a journey of awareness. If you run too fast, you miss the view. If you compare too much, you lose your peace. If you chase everything, you enjoy nothing. The truth is simple. Success without peace is failure in disguise. Understanding life. Life is unpredictable. Sometimes you work hard and still fail. Sometimes you don't expect anything and suddenly you win. This teaches us an important lesson. Control your effort, not the outcome, because outcomes depend on many things: time, luck, people, circumstances. But effort, that is always in your hands. A mature person focus on effort. An immature person complains about results. Problems are not punishments. Many people ask, why is my life so hard? But problems are not punishments. They are training sessions. Just like muscles grow through pressure, character grows through struggle. Without difficulty, you don't learn patience, you don't learn strength, you don't learn wisdom. Easy life creates weak people. Difficult life creates strong people. So instead of asking, why me? Ask, what is this teaching me? That question changes everything. The danger of comparison. One of the biggest reasons people suffer today is comparison. Social media shows everyone is smiling, traveling, succeeding. But remember, people show their highlights, not their struggles. When you compare your behind the scenes with someone else highlight reel, you will always feel small. Life is not a competition with others, it is a competition with your past self. If you are better than yesterday, you are winning. That is enough. Money is important. Let's be realistic. Money gives comfort, money gives security, but money cannot give peace of mind, real love, good health, or respect. This must be earned differently. If you chase only money, you may become rich but empty. If you chase growth, skills, character, and kindness, money often follows naturally. So don't ask, how can I become rich? Ask, how can I become valuable? Value creates wealth automatically. The power of mindset. Two people can face the same situation. One says, my life is over. The other says, this is a lesson. Same problem, different mindset, different life. Your mindset is your real power. If you control your mind, you control your life. Because happiness is not found outside, it is created inside. Relationships matter more than achievements. At the end of life, nobody says, I wish I worked more overtime. People say, I wish I spent more time with family. I wish I called my parents more. I wish I cared more about people. Achievements make you successful. Relationships make you human. Never become so busy building your career that you forget to build your heart. Discipline over motivation. Many people wait for motivation, but motivation is temporary. Some days you feel strong, some days you feel lazy. If you depend on motivation, you will stop often. Discipline is stronger. Discipline says, I will do it even when I don't feel like it. A small daily discipline creates big life changes. Success is not on big action. It is small good habits repeated every day. Accepting imperfection. Nobody is perfect. You will make mistakes. You will fail. You will disappoint people. And that's okay. Life is not about being perfect. It is about learning, improving, and trying again and again and again. Forgive yourself. Grow, move forward. Carrying guilt only slows you down. The real definition of success. Let me ask you something. What is success? A big house? A luxury car? Fame? Maybe, but true success is simpler. Success means sleeping peacefully, having people who love you, being healthy, and respecting yourself. If you have peace in your heart, you are already rich. Final message: life is short. One day, everything you worry about today will not.